arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train.
Hi! Here is my ticket.
Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Let's find knife. Firecrackers.
Thank you.
Here is my train ticket. Prohibited items cannot knife. Lighter. Thank you.
Here is my ticket.
Prohibited items cannot be taken on scissors. Hammer.
Thank you.
The passengers are on board. Keep going. The sand is blocking the way. Let's clear the track.